Number 1. Here's a fantastic opportunity for any classic car enthusiast. A 1967 Pontiac Firebird convertible, right there in Ocean City, New Jersey, and you can snag it for $38,999. Rocking a vibrant red exterior with a crisp white interior, this baby sure looks ready for some summer cruising. Pop the hood and you'll find a 400 cubic inch engine paired up with a 4-speed stick shift. This setup gives you a real feel for the road. With just 42,000 miles on the clock, it fires right up and runs like a dream. Out on the open road, this Firebird's a real head-turner. This 1967 Pontiac, with its specific combo of parts and killer color scheme, really pops. It's running strong and is ready for its next lucky owner.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. In Souderton, Pennsylvania, this 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air is priced at $29,995. This car was built in Los Angeles, and its body is all steel. It's finished in classic black, both inside and out. Under the hood, you'll find a strong-running 377 cubic inch engine mated to a 5-speed Doug Nash transmission. The odometer reads 1,000 miles. The paint and interior show very well. For comfortable driving, it features power steering and power brakes. Up front, it has a straight axle, and out back, a Ford 9-inch rear end. The car is kept in a climate-controlled garage. The seller is open to offers and will consider trades, especially for pre-1970 Harley motorcycles. Trades with cash adjustment either way are welcome. For serious buyers, more photos and additional information are available. Number 3. Discover the charm of history with this 1954 Chevrolet 150. This car, located in Selden, New York, can be yours for $9,800. It has clocked 60,000 miles, and under the hood, you'll find a recently rebuilt 235 cubic inch Blue Flame inline 6-cylinder engine. The car runs and handles great, shifting through its 3-speed manual transmission on the column. The black interior is in nearly perfect shape, featuring a new headliner, reupholstered seats, and a dashboard that looks fantastic. The radio and all lights are fully functional. On the exterior, the car is painted red. It recently received new bias ply tires with wide white walls, a new battery, and a Flowmaster 40 exhaust system. The undercarriage and frame are in excellent condition. The car's restoration was completed by its third owner in the mid-90s, which also included some amateur bodywork. Despite this, the Chevrolet holds the road well and is ready to hit the road. Just turn the key. The vehicle's registration will be transferred to the new owner. Number 4. Step into a piece of automotive history with this 1970 Dodge Dartswinger, available in Cicero, New York for $13,900. This isn't a show car, but it's a great daily driver. The body on this Dartswinger model is unibody, and the blue exterior complements the black interior. Number 5. Introducing the 1975 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. This silver sports car, with a red interior and 113,934 miles on the odometer, is offered for $12,000. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 engine, currently paired with an automatic transmission. Number 6. Take a gander at this classic 1968 Buick Skylark GS 350 Sport Coupe, available in Naugatuck, Connecticut for $52,500. This car, clocking 141,000 miles, has undergone a frame-off restoration and is entirely rust-free. It boasts an ivory gold exterior complemented by a black interior, complete with plush bucket seats, a center console, and a floor shifter. A black vinyl top and gleaming chrome Buick rally wheels, sporting redline radial tires, round out its impressive exterior. Pop the hood and you'll find a matching numbers 350 cubic inch V8 engine, pumping out 280 horsepower, hooked up to an automatic transmission and a posi traction rear differential for some serious get up and go. This Skylark also comes loaded with power disc brakes, power steering, an AM radio, those classic tissue dispensers, an 8-track player, a tachometer, and a full complement of gauges. Its stainless steel dual exhaust system gives this beauty that signature rumble. This ride is backed up by a boatload of documentation, owner's manuals, service records, its original protector plate, window stickers, and a stack of photos detailing its restoration. The current owner says it runs and drives like a dream, proclaiming it one of the absolute best rides they've ever had the pleasure of owning. Number 7. Discover the charm of history. Up for grabs in Wantagh, New York, is a 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 454 Super Sport for $38,888. This red ride with a black interior has clocked 5,450 miles and sports an automatic transmission. Under the hood, you'll find a modified 502 cubic inch V8, rocking a Holley carburetor, custom valve covers, and a MagnaFlow exhaust. The engine is mated to a 700 R4 automatic transmission equipped with a multiple spark discharge ignition system, 8mm wires, and push-button start. Cooling is handled by an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. A new front suspension was installed in 2020, and the rear end was rebuilt in 2017. Inside, you'll find vintage air conditioning, a custom Dakota digital dashboard in red, and a Kenwood audio system with universal serial bus. Power steering and stainless steel brake corporation disc brakes improve handling on the road. The car rolls on 20-inch Boss wheels in the rear, wrapped in two 85/30/20 tires and 18-inch fronts with 245/40/18 rubber. Light emitting diode headlights with red halos and 35% window tint complete the look. This Chevelle, formerly owned by ex-National Football League linebacker Gary Guyton, is available to serious buyers by appointment only in Nassau County, New York. Offers will only be considered in person. No trades.
Unfortunately, it's drizzling, but I'm doing a quick walk-around video that quite a number of people are interested in.
Number 8. Powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder engine and featuring rear-wheel drive, it promises genuine driving pleasure. Meet the Oldsmobile Super 88, a 1957 model, available in Danville, Pennsylvania for $26,000. This Oldsmobile Super 88 with an automatic transmission has 75,865 miles on the clock. It's sporting a Cutlass bronze paint job with a green interior. It earned its show winner status through a meticulous restoration, primarily focused on preserving its original appearance. As a result of this work, the car is in excellent condition and handles beautifully on the road. It drives confidently and has good road manners, providing a comfortable and stable ride. The seller wants you to know no trades will be considered. Number 9. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1956 Chevrolet 210, available in Stratford, Connecticut for $26,500. This two-door sedan, finished in a striking burgundy, which the seller calls Black Cherry, comes with a recorded 100,000 miles and a standard transmission, hinting at its history and robust modifications. Under the hood sits a modified 350 cubic inch V8 engine, bored 30 thousandths over, featuring a mild cam, roller rocker arms, iron eagle heads, and Sanderson cast iron headers. Fueling comes from an Edelbrock manifold and a Q-Jet 850 cubic feet per minute carburetor. Number 10. Take a step back in time with this 1947 Plymouth P15 Deluxe, a two-door model presented in a green exterior with a brown interior, located in Deering, New Hampshire. This ride is offered for $9,500 with trade-in possibilities or a straight sale. This Plymouth has 69,000 miles on the clock, and it's driven via a manual transmission, which provides a direct and engaging driving experience. Under the hood sits a 6-cylinder engine, which has been upgraded with an Offenhauser manifold and 2 Weber carburetors. The exhaust system is made of stainless steel with glass pack mufflers, giving the car a distinctive rumble. Number 11. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. Up for grabs is a 1973 AMC Javelin Coupe from Buffalo, New York, available for $15,000. This car has had only one owner since 1973, as verified by the original title. The odometer reads just 70,706 miles. Under the hood is an AMC 360 V8 engine paired with a 4-speed Borg-Warner T10 manual transmission featuring a factory Hurst shifter. Notably, it comes with manual steering and drum brakes on all 4 wheels, and it rolls on Craigar wheels. The body is in excellent condition for its age, with solid rocker panels and door jambs where almost 100% of the metal is solid. The drip rails are also solid. The dash presents well, and all electronics are functional. Back in the day, the car received undercoating from the original dealer. For the 1973 model year, approximately 30,000 of these Javelins were produced. This Javelin has been off the road since around 2005. It will need some work. The engine needs a refresh. There's an oil leak, likely from the oil pan gasket or the main seal, and the intake manifold is leaking. Importantly, the oil is not mixing. The car is sold as is with no warranty for $15,000 or best reasonable offer. No trades. Number 12. Dive into automotive history with this 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 located in Hagerstown, Maryland, and available for $3,500. This Galaxie 500 with a maroon exterior and an automatic transmission has 100,000 miles on the odometer, offering a solid foundation for your next project. The frame is in good shape, and the floors and trunk pan are reasonably solid. Under the hood is an older 351 Windsor engine with unknown mileage. It starts and runs, which makes it a good starting point for a restoration. It's already equipped with Keystone Classic wheels and good tires. Extra parts are included with the car, which could come in handy. Currently, the body needs rust repair, as the pictures show. Some chrome trim and emblems are missing. The brakes are in working order, but need adjustment. While the car starts, it will need to be trailered for transport. The seller is open to negotiation, offering this Ford Galaxie 500 for $3,500 or best offer. We'll also consider trades for a running truck. This Galaxie 500 is waiting for the right person to give it the time it needs to complete the project. Number 13. Discover the charm of history. Check out a Chevrolet Corvair Monza from 1966. This red sedan, with 87,840 miles, is currently located in Roxbury, Connecticut, and is available for $2,600. Under the hood, it features a flat-six engine which sends power to the wheels via a Powerglide automatic transmission. Until recently, the car was a reliable driver. The previous owner drove it for over 2 hours from New Jersey without a hitch. Inside, the interior is in good shape, with the exception of a few minor tears, mostly on the rear seats. The car was acquired with a bill of sale. However, to get the Corvair back on the road, it will need some serious attention. The fuel tank has a hole in the bottom, so the car is currently not drivable and will need to be towed. Previously, the engine was burning oil, and the undercarriage has rusted through and needs major work. The owner is looking to make some room in the garage, which is why this Corvair Monza is being offered for sale. It can be yours for $2,600 or best offer, and no trades at this time. Number 14. Today we have a fantastic find, a 1963 Ford kit car located in Leland, North Carolina, and available for $15,000. It's a replica of a 1963 Austin Healey built in 1991 by Classic Roadsters. Under the hood, there's a 350 cubic inch engine from a 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle paired with a 5-speed Tremec T5 transmission. The frame is borrowed from a Ford Pinto, and the suspension is from a Mustang II. This ride puts out around 230 horsepower and 250 foot-pounds of torque. It has manual steering. Number 15. Whether you're a collector or a restoration enthusiast, this 1965 Pontiac LeMans from Knightdale, North Carolina is offered for $30,000. This is a solid ride, ready for confident road trips. The seller is asking $30,000, no trades. Under the hood is the original 326 cubic inch engine, which was rebuilt less than 10,000 miles ago. A new Saginaw 4-speed manual transmission has been installed, along with new clutch components and a new exhaust system. Fuel delivery is handled by an Edelbrock 1406 carburetor with an electric choke, which runs flawlessly, and an Edelbrock Pontiac-style air gap intake manifold. Engine cooling is maintained by a Pontiac-style 6-blade fan, keeping temperatures at 190 degrees. The car features new front suspension components, power steering, and front disc brakes, which replaced the original drums. The rear drums have been retained. The car rides on new 18-inch wheels with fresh rubber. Interior comfort is enhanced by a brand new vintage air conditioning system installed 3 months ago. The body, repainted several years ago in its original turquoise color, shows only a very minimal amount of rust that you'd have to really look for. This Le Mans is completely road ready for any distance. The only thing it will need is some touch-up paint inside the door jambs and under the trunk lid. Number 16. Today, we have a fantastic find, a 1956 Chevrolet Classic offered at $89,500 from Taylorsville, North Carolina. This Chevrolet 210 stands out with its bold red exterior and matching red leather interior, making a strong visual statement before you even turn the key. Underneath its classic lines, this machine features a serious upgrade, a 350 engine paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission. The entire setup rides on a modernized Art Morrison chassis, providing a significantly different driving experience compared to its original specifications. For comfort and convenience, it comes with air conditioning, power steering, and disc brakes. All 4 windows are power windows, and the trunk is in good shape. Inside, the driver gets a chrome tilt wheel, custom gauges for monitoring performance, and a solid radio for those long drives. Tinted windows add to the sleek appearance. Since these significant modernizations, the car has accumulated just 5,000 miles, making it a prime opportunity for someone seeking a classic aesthetic with modern road manners. Number 17. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's a 1937 Ford Tudor sedan. This car is located in Commerce Township, Michigan, and is priced at $29,900. The exterior is painted vermilion red, and the interior is finished in a beige hue. Since its restoration, this Ford has only racked up 6,602 miles. Under the hood sits a rebuilt V8 engine, displacing 350 cubic inches and cranking out 360 horsepower. It's paired with a TH350 automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit, and power gets put to a 9-inch rear end featuring Auburn Pro lockers. The engine is outfitted with dart headers and an intake manifold. Inside, you'll find new bucket seats, and a custom Livernois exhaust system gives it a distinctive rumble. Recent work includes sorting out the air conditioning and electrical issues with all documentation and receipts on hand for review. This sedan has been meticulously cared for, ensuring it's road ready. The seller can assist with shipping the vehicle anywhere within the United States. Number 18. For the classic car enthusiast with a passion for history, here's a 1946 Ford Coupe from Wheelwright, Kentucky. This blue coupe with a black interior, despite its respectable age, has only driven 9,999 miles. Under the hood is a 350 engine and a turbo 350 automatic transmission, ensuring reliable performance. Though it's an older build, the car looks and drives great. For a more comfortable ride, the coupe has been equipped with power steering and power disc brakes. Add to that air conditioning and heating, and you've got comfort in any weather. For music lovers, the interior features a Kenwood stereo. This little Ford is highly reliable and ready to hit the road. Its price is $27,500. The owner is also open to trades for other classic cars or trucks.
Yeah.
Number 19. This red 1986 Mercedes-Benz SL 500 Roadster with a tan interior and an automatic transmission is available in Farmingdale, New York for $16,500. It has 107,000 miles on the odometer, and for a car of this vintage, that's considered low mileage. It comes equipped with both a hard top and a soft top, with the soft top looking brand new. A storage dolly for the hard top is included for easy storage. Maintenance has been performed at an authorized Mercedes dealer. Number 20. As the second owner of this clean title jewel, presented here is a 1980 Mercedes-Benz SL 450 Roadster from Draper, Utah, with an asking price of $6,000, negotiable. The automatic transmission vehicle has a reported 160,000 miles on the clock. This golden SL 450 has reportedly been a garage queen its entire life. It recently got a complete fuel system overhaul. A new tank, fuel pump, battery, lines, and fresh injectors were all installed. Consequently, the car runs and drives great. The original gold paint and the interior are both in very good shape. The car also includes a hard top, but it looks like it was stored outdoors, and its paint job is pretty rough. The asking price is $6,000, but the seller is open to offers. And now, moving on from this classic Roadster, let's roll into the next story on wheels. Number 21. A 1978 Chevrolet Corvette 25th Anniversary Edition is looking for a new owner in Greene, Rhode Island. This two-door coupe, painted in distinctive silver and pewter tones with a bright red interior, has 93,000 miles on it. Its exterior immediately signals the celebratory status of the model, released to mark Corvette's 25-year anniversary. Under the hood is an engine of 350 cubic inches paired with an automatic transmission. Significantly, the car has received new brakes, a new water pump, a fresh battery, and a new alternator, which takes the headache out of initial maintenance. Garaged storage has also helped keep it in good shape. The asking price of $9,700 seems pretty reasonable, considering the work done and its anniversary status. The owner is also open to considering a trade for a comparable Jeep Wrangler, which adds flexibility to the deal. Thanks for looking. Number 22. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. A Chrysler LeBaron convertible from 1986 from Rockville Center, New York, available for $4,500 with room to negotiate. This convertible, with 74,000 miles, is equipped with an automatic transmission. Its exterior is black and the interior is upholstered in Mark Cross beige leather, which still presents well. The car starts and runs quite well thanks to a recent replacement of the fuel pump, fuel filter, and injector hoses, as well as the installation of a new battery. However, like any vehicle with some history, this Chrysler has its own quirks that require attention. Number 23. Check out this 1969 Ford Fairlane 500, located in St. Genevieve, Missouri, priced at $9,500. This 1969 fastback comes with a 351 Windsor engine and a C4 automatic transmission. It's got 20,000 miles on the clock, and the body is painted black with a red interior. This model is one of only 1,200 built with bucket seats and already has slapper bars installed. Currently, the car needs a little TLC in a couple of areas. It needs transmission cooler lines and a shifter cable. There's also a small rear main seal leak. Number 24. Imagine the adventures that await you with this 1974 AMC Javelin, available in Lake Bluff, Illinois for $9,800. This unit comes equipped with a 304 cubic inch V8 engine and an automatic transmission. This car has been a one-owner vehicle, has a clean title, and an odometer reading of 58,853 miles. The car is all original, with a blue exterior and a white interior. It's worth noting that this Javelin has been sitting since 1993. While it starts and runs, it will require a full inspection and service to get it into tip-top shape. Even so, for being 50 years old, the car looks remarkably clean. Its all original condition provides an excellent foundation for future projects or the opportunity to enjoy it as is, once it's been given a proper once-over. This 1974 AMC Javelin offers an honest look at a classic that needs some tender, loving care. But what if you're after something that's ready for new adventures right off the bat? Number 25. A 1969 Cadillac DeVille touring sedan is located in Brick, New Jersey, and is being offered for $14,000. This car, finished in brown both inside and out, features an automatic transmission and has 90,000 miles on the odometer. It has been garage kept its entire life and has been with the same family since new, which often indicates a well cared for vehicle. The car runs and drives fantastically, having recently completed a 300-mile one-way trip without a hitch. All systems are in working order, the brakes have been updated, and a new exhaust system has been installed. The body and interior are described as absolutely beautiful, a testament to its long history of ownership. Number 26. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. Here we have a 1966 Chevrolet Nova being offered in Fairfield, Pennsylvania for $25,000. This silver coupe with an automatic transmission has only 37,484 miles on the odometer. For the last 14 years, it has been carefully garage kept which undoubtedly has contributed to its excellent running condition. The owner, who is only willing to part with it to fund a new project, notes that the car runs great and has always been a reliable runner. Number 27. In Lyons, Colorado, a 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7 is awaiting a new owner, listed for $8,000 or your best offer. This two-door hardtop in burgundy with a white vinyl top isn't just a car, but part of one family's 42-year history. Number 28. Straight out of 1978, a two-door Buick Electra 225 is looking for a new owner in Shenandoah Junction, West Virginia. This car can be yours for $10,000. What stands out is its modest mileage, just 44,000 miles. Under the hood, it's an automatic, and the exterior is brown, matching its beige interior. This isn't just a well-preserved example, it's a car that was carefully garage-kept by a single owner. The interior has always been smoke-free, and its history shows no accidents. This combination of careful use, diligent storage, and a confirmed clean history makes this Electra a compelling offer for anyone seeking a classic in excellent condition. Thanks for looking. We're already putting together the next best classic car listings for our loyal viewers and classic car collectors. Number 29. This 1967 Pontiac Firebird Coupe from Pasadena, Maryland is offered for $23,500. Under the hood is a 326 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor mated to a 3-speed turbo-automatic transmission. On-road comfort comes from factory air conditioning, power steering, and power brakes, amenities that make daily driving far more enjoyable than one might expect from a vehicle of its age. In recent years, this Firebird has undergone substantial updates. The entire brake system has been replaced, including the pads, wheel cylinders, drums, hoses, master cylinder, and booster. New tires have been installed, along with dual exhaust and fresh alternator, battery, belts, and hoses. Even the exterior has been refreshed with new emblems, wheel well moldings, side marker lenses, and 4 headlights. These details aren't just cosmetic, they speak to a serious commitment to keeping the car in running order. The seller describes the body as very solid and its road manners as rides like a dream. Given the list of work performed, this sounds entirely plausible. What we have here is a car into which effort and money have already been invested so it can truly be driven, not just sit there. This maintenance approach justifies the investment, offering a road-ready vehicle without the need to immediately dive into repairs. If you're into something with an entirely different vibe, get ready for the next one.